I sometimes do some shopping before I walk back to school. I do some photocopying and go back to my classroom. I teach in the afternoon from 1 to 3 p.m. I then catch the bus back home and spend a couple of hours relaxing before I cook dinner. My son goes to work shortly after I come home. Sometimes he cooks dinner before I get home, and sometimes I cook. I like to eat rice or pasta with a sauce. I chop the onions, fry them, and then mix them with garlic, tomatoes, carrots, spinach, and chilies. I boil the rice and then add the sauce. After dinner, I wash up, sweep the floor, and tidy up a bit. Then I make phone calls, mark my students' work, do the laundry. Then I go on Facebook or watch TV until about 10:30 when my son comes home. And at about 11 o'clock, I go to bed. Other days, I get up early, go downstairs, put on my computer, and teach on Zoom for 3 hours. Then I have a break, eat dinner with my son, have a walk, or go shopping before returning to work and teaching again for another 3 hours. Working at home can be very convenient, and I love being able to talk to people around the world. It is also nice working in a school and seeing people on a regular basis, and working in a team, so I feel I have the best of both worlds. So there you have a daily routine. There are lots of different types of English constructions used in describing a day, including many phrasal verbs like tidy up, wash up, get up. There are also lots of sentences for supporting verbs such as I have lunch or I get dressed, rather than I lunch. Notice the range of ways of saying the time too. See if you can describe your day using same language forms here. This is Professor Walid, and this is my daily routine. Please write your daily routine in the comment section. Thanks.